Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm doing my What I Got for Christmas video. So before I start, I just want to say I'm not doing this to brag or anything. It's just a fun video I do almost every year. A lot of people do these videos, and I enjoy watching and seeing what other people got, and I just like sharing it with you guys as well. So I'm not doing this to brag or anything, I'm just doing this for fun. I also forgot one of my things, so let me grab that real quick. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Alright, so let's just get started. I'm gonna start with what my dad and my stepmom got me. So the first thing they got me were these little pair of earrings. I'm trying to figure out the best way to show you. I guess I'll just show you one of them. They're just little like studs. Can you even see them? Oh my gosh, my lighting. I'm sorry. And they're super cute. They're little pink, like, they have kind of a holographic look to them when you look up close, but I don't think it's coming across very well on camera. Sorry about my lighting. I thought it'd be fun to film in front of my Christmas tree, but my lighting's, like, crap. So I'm using, like, I normally use the lighting from my computer, but I'm using the lighting from my other phone, so, yes. Yeah, I'm also filming on a new device as well, so I hope it looks alright and everything. And yeah, so they got me those. And then I have this little bag here. They gave me this little bag that's full of candy, and my dad got me this lip balm. Because it has a poop emoji on it, and he's like obsessed with those. I don't know why. Yeah, they got me a little, like little stack of candy. I did have one of those big candy canes with the M&Ms in them, but my cousins and I kind of ate that like while everyone else was unwrapping. I like saw it sticking out of my bag, and we pulled it out, and like all three ate it. So yeah. So then they got me a gift card, like it's just a MasterCard gift card, just because I wanted some like new mannequins and stuff, and they had no clue like where to buy that or anything, so they just got me a gift card so I could get it myself. They got me this cup, which I'm going to use for my makeup brushes. It says "But First Makeup" on it, and it's actually a really big like mug, but there's no handle on it, and I feel like this would like burn my hand if I had like hot chocolate or something in it. So it says it's food safe, but I'm just going to use it for my makeup brushes because I feel like it goes with the saying and stuff. So yeah, I got that. Get out of the candy, you two. And then they got me this little makeup bag. Oh, the little strap came off. I don't think it was attached in the first place. But it looks like this. It came with the earrings. I'm sorry, my lighting's horrible. It's just a little pink bag, and then it's actually really big on the inside. It's a really nicely sized space. And I'll probably keep this in my purse, you know, just carry like some random things in it. I don't know. It's really cute. I like the Minnie Mouse ears on it, and the earrings came with it, like I said. Oh, they got me pajamas too. So these pajamas are from Secret Treasures, and it was a 3-piece set. Snoop, can I have my pants, please? Thanks. I've already wore the pants. I wore these the other day. But they have llamas on them, and I think they're super cute. They're super, super soft. I love them. And this is the shirt. Here it says, "No Drama Llama," and it's super, super soft, and it's got these little pom-poms on it, and then this is like fuzzy. And it came with a pair of socks that had little llama faces on them, but I had wore those the other day, and I'm doing laundry today, so they're in my they're in the wash right now. I thought I hadn't washed them yet, but it turns out I had already started it. So I couldn't show you guys. So I'm sorry. But I love them. They're really soft too. Alright, now moving on to what my Aunt Carol got me. My Aunt Carol got me this little, well, this is from my Aunt Carol, my Uncle Travis, and my cousins Will and Zachary. It's from Olivia Grace, and it's I can't read today. I don't know. It's something lavender, and it's body wash. It's like a shimmering body spray, a lotion, and it comes with a loofah. So I love little sets like this. They're like one of my favorite things. But yeah, and it smells super, super good. What's this called? Oh yeah, it's a body spray with a shimmering effect is what this is. So then, I'm not going to show you what my grandma Judy got me. She just gave me a gift card. Well, it wasn't a gift card. She gave me some money, and then she gave me a card. I don't know where I put my card, though. I know where the money is, though. That's my wallet. But, yeah. That's all she gave me. I didn't think you needed to see the card. But, yeah. Moving on to what my mom got me. So, my mom got me this owl. She thought it looked like the owl from Harry Potter. Which, the owl from Harry Potter, Hedwig, if you've seen Harry Potter, I'm pretty sure it was all white. I might be wrong about that. Let me know in the comments if you know. But I'm still, like, obsessed with it. I think it's super cute. Only thing is, it has these super long feet, and I feel like owls don't have long legs like this. But it's okay. I love him anyways. Oh my gosh, my dad got me a sloth, but I don't know where it's at. I just remembered. Oh, I do. It's on the counter. I see it. I'm not going to grab it. I'll show you in a different video. It's going to be my new, like, background thing. I'm trying to set up this little background area over by where I normally film. So he'll be in the background. My cousin named him Sid, the sloth. Hey, what are you doing? You can't have my owl. Snoop's here. Angel's sleeping. Alright, moving on to what my mom got me. So she got me a bunch of gift sets. So yeah, they're kind of all a mess because I opened them all yesterday and I just threw them back in the bag. So this is from Bayless and Harding, and it's in the scent Midnight Fig and Pomegranate. Pomegranates are my favorite fruit in the whole world. And it's got a foot lotion, reviving foot soak crystals, and these super soft socks, which fluffy socks are my favorite thing in the world as well. Focus camera, thank you. But yeah, there's that. I love the packaging of this. Like, I don't want to open it, but I have to. But yeah, there's that. Oh my gosh, I'm tearing up everything. She got me this little set from the Color Workshop. I don't know what used to be here. It wasn't there when I got it. I don't know what it was. But, oh, it used to be a nail polish, it says on the back. She probably stole it out. She likes nail polish. It just comes with some lashes, an eyeshadow, a little brush, an eyeliner, a liquid liner, and a mascara. So then she got me this for school. It's the Glam Gal Petty Kit, and it's like a foot file with like toe separators. We don't use these, but I can probably use that. And then I got this little bag. It says Sephora. It's not from Sephora. But she got me these fluffy socks. I think they were mine originally, and she just found them in her stuff because we live separately now. She gave me this mask because she didn't want it. It's from Queen Helen, and it's the Mint Julep mask. I've tried this before. It's pretty good. She got me a bath bomb. It's the Bella Premium Luxury Bath Bomb in Cucumber Melon. Sorry, the lighting. I promise I will figure out something if I film it from my tree anymore. She got me these two little sample size of the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, which these are like my favorite thing to remove my makeup with. So she got me 2 of those. She got me this little makeup brush. It's got little flowers in the like end of it. I wanted to say the stem, but I don't think that's the right word. I don't know the brand of this, but she got me, oh, it's from Rue Beauty, and it's the Pro Tools eyebrow trimming scissors. I can probably take them out. I'm about to just turn this light off, but I know the light is gonna be shit if I do. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's got a little comb. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. So then she got me some, oh wait, there's one more beauty thing. This is the Just Shine Shimmering Bronzing Powder from Justice. So that's a really pretty color. And then she got me some necklaces. So this first one says Kansas KAZ2 Wi-Fi, which I'm not positive, but I feel like this is something to do with Supernatural. If you know, let me know in the comments. It's a really cute necklace. I like it. And then she got me this necklace, and it says, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. This one, it says Potterhead. And then she got me this one, which says, go away or I'll slap you. I think she got me that one because my coworker, his name's Jeremy, I threaten to smack him on a daily basis, at least 100 times a day, even if we're not working together. Like, even if he's not there, or I'm not working at all that day, I will be like, I want to slap Jeremy. Like, yeah. So then she got me this, which I've already taken it on the box. I'm not I think it's at the bottom in the bag. Maybe. Oh yeah, here it is. And it's the Simply Straight ceramic straightening brush. It's from As Seen on TV. I've not tried this at all. I'm kind of scared to try it, but I think I might try it out for a video, or at least do a review on it or something. And let me know if you guys want to see something with this. Alright, so then she got me this thing, which is from Casa Tosca by My Beauty Spot. And it has a body wash. Well, all the scent for it all is argan oil and cocoa butter. And it comes with a body wash, a body lotion, a foot cream, a hand cream. What are those 2 things? Oh, a body scrub and a foaming bath. So here's all of this. I really like the packaging of this. I don't know, it just seems really adult and like professional. I don't know, I just really like it. I can't get it out. Stay. It fell. Alright. So now here's just some random things she threw in, like, because she buys storage units and stuff. And this is just some other random things that I told her I'd take from a storage unit, so these weren't really Christmas things. So she found a pack of these. They were brand new. It was the Bodycology Truly Yours Bath Fizzies, which I love. But then she went and used them, and only left me 2. But that's okay. I can still use those 2. I can't use them right now because of my cast, but when I get my cast off the 10th, and I will definitely use them then. She found this Mary Kay Time Wise 3-in-1 cleanser, which I have checked all the dates and stuff on these, and this is not expired yet. It's not even open, like the seal is still on it. Well, the seal's not on it now, I've already taken it off. But the seal was on it when I originally got this, and it's not expired, so you guys don't have to worry about that. Oh, this was another one of my Christmas presents. This is from the Color Workshop, and it's the Pencil Me In, and it's a bunch of different eye pencils. There's like a silver, gold, brown, teal, purple, navy, and a black one. My nose is itching. Alright, what's next? So then this is from Mary Kay, and it's the Time Wise Replenishing Serum Plus C. And it's one kit, but there's 4 in here. So I guess this came as like a gift set originally, and don't worry, I have checked this one as well. And none of them have been opened or anything, and they're all still good. This one is from Merle Norman, and it's the Anti-Aging Complex Eye Treatment. I like the packaging of this. It's like really pretty. I've not really tried anything from Merle Norman or anything, but I'm excited to give it a try. I'm sorry if I don't seem very excited. I'm actually really sick right now. I've had strep for, it developed originally Sunday, and this is Thursday. And I am not feeling good at all right now. I have a fever of like 102, and I just want to like go to sleep. But I needed to film this. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not in the best mood, but it needs to get done. So I honestly am really happy with all my presents and everything. I'm just not. What's the word? I'm not energetic, I guess. Alright. So I only have one thing, or I have 2 things left. That's a lie. I have 3 things left. What is this? Oh, I didn't see this. This is from Mary Kay, and it's a Time Wise Night Solution. Ooh, it's got little, like, pearls in it. Can you guys see the little pearls? They're all different colors. So yeah, that's another thing with that. So then she got, I think this was from my grandma. It's a West Virginia keychain. And then she gave me this palette as well. It's from Icing Eyeshadow. And yeah, I'll try to open it. Maybe. Okay. So here's all the shades. I think this will be just really fun to play with. I probably won't use it on a day-to-day basis, but they'll be really fun to play with. There's some really pretty colors in there. And yeah, so that's it for everything I got for Christmas. I'm going to get off here and probably go lay down and attempt to edit this video or do something with it. I don't know. But yeah, so me and Mr. Owl here are going to sign off. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas. Sorry there's not been a video for a while. Like I said, I've been sick. I actually have a video that's saved on YouTube. It's on private because I've been trying to edit the thumbnail and I just haven't felt like it. So yeah. I'll probably put this up first though. And yes. So I think that's it for today. I will see you guys in my next video. Also, I'm trying to do live streams. So if you guys want to watch a live stream, I'm planning on Saturday evening probably, maybe Sunday evening, doing a live stream of my winter FabFitFun unboxing. So if you guys want to see that, be sure to subscribe. I try to upload 4 times a week. And yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. If you guys have any video suggestions, you can leave those in the comments, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.